Hello friends, this is Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sheree and this is Turquoise Dreaming. And today I have a Craspire haul for you. I have a little story to tell you, but let me show you. Let me dump it out here so you can see that I got some goodies here. But what happened was, it was really funny because it's really funny how things work out. I got my morning voice here a little deeper than usual this morning. But yeah, I was looking literally like on Amazon and different websites, BB Craft, wherever, looking for stretchy lace. And then I may have mentioned it because I bought some at Dollar Tree, some stretchy lace headbands for the same reason. I wanted to try them out. And then Craspire.com contacted me, and I just looked around. I was like, oh my goodness, they have stretchy lace. I didn't even realize this. You know what I mean? Because I have been doing demonstrations for Craspire the last 2 or 3 years, and they contact me now and then and say, would you like to pick out some products to demonstrate on your channel? And I always say yes. And so you think of wax seals and things like that. I think that's the first thing you probably think of when you think of Craspire. But I looked around and I have gotten other things from Craspire too, stationery. But this time, since I was looking for stretchy lace, I just, kind of searched ribbon and trims, and lo and behold, they have stretchy lace. So here's what I got. It's, I think it was, I don't know if this is 1 or 2 bundles, but they have them in bundles where you can pick out, there's at least two different ones, like sets or bundles, and you can look at the colors and the widths and the designs and pick out which one you want. So I picked out this one, and I have 2 other things to show you here, but let's look at these first. So there's a bunch here. And so I'll have the product links to everything that I got here in my description box. I'll have Craspire.com's website link, and I'll have a coupon code for you if you'd like to go check out. Maybe you've been looking for stretchy lace and a good deal, and I even have a coupon. So check it out, and maybe you would like to pick up some stretchy lace too, or some trims, or whatever. But let's open one, and this one is kind of a peachy color. And so here it is. Yeah, I wanted one that wasn't too wide, wasn't too narrow, and I wanted one that was the same on both sides. So by that I mean this. So it's the same on both sides. Like, I think they had one where there's a scalloped edge on this side and straight on this side, and you see how this is both the same on both sides, and it is stretchy. And I will show you, and I'm going to be doing 2 videos on actually demonstrating these products, and I will show you what I plan to use these for. But isn't it pretty? This is a peachy color, and I just picked out a package with colors that I thought I could use, which, there's a lot of different colors here. So let me show you. This is the peachy color. Wind this back up later, but these are nice little Ziploc bags that I can keep them in, keep them all tight. They're very small packages, but there's a lot in here. I don't remember how many yards are in here, but it will say on the website, and it will say, let me see, approximately, this is approximately it's probably 1 yard, 1 yard of each. But yeah, I will demonstrate. Like, if I wrap this around a journal, I can probably get, depending on whether, like, if I wanted to tie a bow, this would be for 1 journal. But if I want to make a band, just to, slip either over this way, across the width of a book or a journal, I could probably get 2 out of here. Or I would could do the length of a journal this way, and have it be the journal closure. So that's what I'm thinking about. for these, and I will show you what it looks like later and how I put it together. But let me just show you the colors real quick. There's so many here, right? Where's my empty bag? Right here. So you've got, in this particular bundle, orange, light pink. I want to make sure you can see these. I think you can see them through the bag. They're all that same design as far as being the same on both sides. And so we've got an orange, a very light, like baby pink here, and a pretty blue, a bright pink, like a hot pink. Oh, this is a pretty like mint green color. And we've got purple. We've got white. We've got a pretty bright sunny yellow. And then, oh, this is kind of a mauvey pink. And this is red. I wanted to make sure. I did want red for Christmas. And let's see. This is an off-white or ecru. Another, let's see how this compares. This is another, oh, this is a super bright pink here. See the difference in these two pinks. But yeah, I'll be able to use all of these. This is gray. And then beige or tan. A pretty green, black, and a light purple or lilac. So there's the light purple and here's the dark purple. Very pretty, aren't they? And lots of colors, so many colors, right? And it's like a really the perfect bundle. Like, and I'll demonstrate that later. So the next little couple of trims here I got. Let me see. I'm going to need scissors. This is a Ziploc bag. This is just wrapped in plastic here. So I need to cut this one open. Yeah, they have a lot of trims. Like, this is not it. It was actually hard to narrow it down, you know, because they give you a $1 limit when you do these type of demonstrations for companies. And so it was a little hard to narrow it down, but I just picked out my favorites. And I had a lot more in my cart. And then I was like, okay, what are my favorites? So this is something really different. I'm looking for the end here. But it's something really different than what I have. Here we go. Or have ever had before. I've never had, these are like, I like these kind of trims because they're like appliques. And you can use them as trim. Like, can you picture this on the side of a page? Or even on the front of a journal, the trim. Next to the spine. Wouldn't that be cool? Or you can cut them into separate pieces and use them that way. So I really love, like, I've got a couple of like daisy, flowery applique. I'm going to call them applique trims, and I love them. But I've never had butterflies, and these even have their little antenna. And I like the colors too. They're just a pretty color that could go with just about any journal. I mean, who doesn't love butterflies, right? So it's a whole big roll here. And again, I will have the link in the description box, and you can go to the website and see how many yards is on here. But this is, I can't even show you up in here, but this is several yards. I would guess it's like at least 5 yards on here, maybe more. But yeah, if you want to know how many yards, just look at the webs, click on my link, go to the website, and that's the beautiful butterfly trim. And now this one, you know I had to get this one. When you see what it is, you will understand. So, yes, you know, I just did some strawberry journals, and I saw this gorgeous, 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 and I will be making more strawberry journals in the future. Mardell sent me some goodies and fabric and everything, and I have some left and goodies left from my strawberry journals I already made. So when I saw this, I didn't have anything exactly like this. And then this is another applique trim, just like I showed you with the butterflies. I can put it on as a strip anywhere on the, these would be so gorgeous on the front of a journal as a trim next to your spine fabric, or on a page, on a pocket, or I can cut them right here as a separate little strawberry, or however many I need. If I just need a few for a pocket or something, you know what I mean? So very versatile, these little kind of applique trims, and I love them. And I've never had, I have strawberry trim, but not strawberry applique trim. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, this is probably one of the first things I put in my cart and kept it there because it's strawberries and it's super cool. So this is going to be so much fun whenever I make my next strawberry journal. So that is everything I got. I hope you enjoyed the butterfly, the strawberries, and all these luscious stretchy laces. And I'm super excited to be able to use them. So I'll do 2 more. Look forward to 2 more videos where I'm actually using these products. And I will see you in my next video. I hope you have a great day, a great week, and let me know what you're working on this week. I'm putting some things in my shop, so if you want to see what's new in my shop, check it out. And I am working on the science glue book. So tomorrow I may have do a little work on that on my video. So that is really a super fun journal too, or glue book, whatever you want to use it for. But I will see you then. I hope you have a great day and see you later.